Hi, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a Sprout Waldron 2 cubic foot ribbon blender. It's a stainless steel ribbon blender. Features such nice items like a flush heating discharge, which you can see right there. And it operates manually. Has a safety switch mounted on the cover, and you can see we've laid a piece of metal over this to show it's activating. Once it's activated, you have to restart and reset it. We have lots of blenders like this in our stock. Ribbon blenders, paddle blenders, twin shell, double cone, continuous blenders. We do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.